Hey there, I'm Jenny, and this is Casey, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This video is part of our Meal Hack series where we're sharing tips and tricks to make mealtime more manageable and fun.
Yes, I'm really excited about this meal hack.
Yeah, so today we're talking about rotisserie chicken. So they are a really great, easy grab-and-go option if you don't know what you want to have for dinner tonight. But we are kind of jazzing it up a bit today.
Yeah. So you can, of course, just enjoy a rotisserie chicken with side of, grains and vegetables, but we have made some fun new dishes with the rotisserie chicken. So this one is a chicken, spinach, and artichoke rice casserole. I had to get all those in there.
It's a mouthful.
It is, but it's so delicious and super easy with that rotisserie chicken to just throw everything together and basically heat it up.
Yeah, so another really easy option is this buffalo chicken quinoa bowl. So it's got lots of great vegetables in it, and again, meal in a bowl.
Yes. You can't get better than that.
Right. So these are super easy options. So great ways to use up that rotisserie chicken in a fun new way.
Yeah, so give this hack a try and share it on social media using #mealhack. For more meal hack ideas, visit our YouTube channel, and for more recipe ideas, visit festfoods.com/meals.